everyone. Today I'm going to tell you 3 techniques how to pass the 11 plus entrances and go to the grammar school of your choice. Number 1 is when you're going for the entrance, don't get nervous, because if you get nervous, you won't be able to do the paper properly. Second is don't leave any of the questions in the paper because they're multiple choice. If you do a guesswork and you get it right, you'll at least get a mark. Then not getting any mark when you leave any of the questions. Number 3 is don't rely on one question for more than 2 minutes. If you think that you're stuck on a question, just move on and come back. In some papers you can do, in Kent you can do that, but in Bexley you can't come back to the question like that. So the best way is just to do guesswork, because I have seen that children doing guesswork can also pass 11 plus than the children who leave any of the questions and don't pass 11 plus. Just remember these techniques. I'm sure you all will pass the 11 plus entrances with flying colors.